This is a 2007 Toyota 4Runner. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a limited slip center differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, a driver airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 74,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
DCH Paramus Honda is conveniently located at 120 West Route 4 East in Paramus. We are proud to be one of the premier dealerships in the area for new and certified Honda cars, trucks, and SUVs. From the moment you walk into our showroom, you will know that our commitment to service is second to none. DCH Paramus Honda, delivering customer happiness.